I've got them. They're my people. If they're not buying, they're walking.
This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about.
Nice color.
Yeah, if you puffy. Shit.
Good afternoon, homies. My name is Alan Morris, and if there's anything I can help you with, I'm your
Get
dog.
the fuck out of here, man. Is that the new 993 Turbo?
Actually, that's the 993 Carrera.
Shit. Yo, I got 8 cylinders, right? They kick out 600 horsepower, right?
That's 6 cylinders, 475 horsepower. What? Would you mind not leaning on the...
Oh, shit. I could get some ass from the twins in this dog. This the one. This
No,
is
Mrs.
the one,
Johnson, how are you?
Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, Johnson got a fat ass. I got something for you, Miss Johnson.
Look, you're not allowed to play any music here.
Could you
turn it off, please? Could you turn the music off, please? Brother, could you turn the music off, please, brother? Could you turn it off, please? The music off, brother.
Hey, yo, who would ever think that the two would go good? Nick Johnson, nigga from the hood. Knock on wood, I got this bitch. Excuse me, don't like to be called a bitch. Try not to lose me. The blues we go by. Where I'm from, you don't know.
It is not a toy.
Miss Johnson was shaking her ass. Hey, Miss Johnson, shake your ass, baby. Shake it.
Miss Johnson.
Hey, look here, dog. You think I can hit some corners in this? You know, take it on a test drive.
I'm sorry, our policy is no test drives.
How about hooking a brother up or something then?
Hooking a brother up. The cheapest car we have here is $75,000.
That it? Got a lot of headroom, get it?
Yo.
Headroom.
This is it.
Oh, yeah. See? My man got taste.
Asshole, he's got something.
Shit.
You like
Yo, dog, this shit is hot, man. Yo, how much this here for, man? What, 200?
Actually, $285.
They better suck and fuck me for 285, man.
Actually, there are only 7 of these for sale in the U.S.
That many. Yo, dog, pop the hood, man. I want to see what 285 look like.
That's the hood. That's the trunk. That's okay.
Yeah, start it up, dog.
No, I'm sorry. It's our policy. You can't start up the car. It's policy. Sorry.
What do you think you're doing? Hey, you! Could you turn off the engine? Could you turn off the engine? Yeah. Could you turn off the motherfucking engine off?
You don't have to yell. All you have to do is ask. You get much better results.
Will you please just leave?
No. I want this.
Well, unless you decide you'd like to live in this, I suggest that
I suggest you get started on the paperwork.
What do these people think? Oh, my God.
It's 300 in there. Make sure he gets the commission.
He get...
Keep the change.
You know, maybe I did. You know.
When I say I'm going around the way, she gets the come on, baby. You all right with me?
Homie!
I'm a good girl.
I'm your man!
That's why I like her. You can treat her like a hood rat, then fight her.